So today we got the brand new 2024 Mustang. We're going to show you guys the difference between an H-pipe and a straight pipe. Most customers come in, they ask for a resonator delete without any equalization. We're going to show you the difference what it sounds like with a straight pipe, which is just two straight pipes, and then an H-pipe, which has some equalization. So this is the stock resonator on the new Mustangs. It's complete garbage, no equalization, and just restricting horsepower and flow. So as you guys can see, there's no equalization inside. This is just reducing horsepower and flow. These Mustangs need to breathe, especially this one has an active exhaust system on it. So we're getting rid of this resonator. We're showing you the difference between an H-pipe and a straight pipe. So this is the stock system on the new Mustangs. A lot of them come with the active system, which actually increases the performance from the factory by about 10 horsepower. So you got this valve right here that opens and closes, and on the V8s you have this resonator in the midsection. On the EcoBoost Turbo 4 cylinders, they are coming with no resonators in the midsection. The older models did have a resonator, so you would add a Y pipe on there and bypass the resonator if necessary, but the new ones don't have that issue. It's basically a full straight pipe up front with just two mufflers in the rear. That's only on the turbo model. All the GTs are coming with a resonator, and they don't come with an upgraded midsection. I'm not sure why the factory doesn't offer that, but you can always get it from us, G-Exhaust, G-Exhaust.com, guys. This is what it sounds like with straight pipe. No X-pipe or H-pipe. So when you got a 5.0 Mustang and you're doing a resonator delete, I would highly recommend adding an X-pipe or an H-pipe just to maximize the amount of back pressure. When you just do two straight pipes, you get a loss of back pressure, which technically loses some power. So I do not recommend it. Now this is what it sounds like with an H-pipe. So as you guys can hear, a little bit of a choppier sound because we're doing an H-pipe instead of an X-pipe, but it sounds great. Customer's going to be ecstatic, and in my opinion, it's the only way to go, especially on a Mustang. You want equalization, guys. H-pipe or X-pipe, not a straight pipe.